All right, folks, buckle up. Today I'm diving into a wild math chain reaction. Ready to see how haircuts can mess with drug prices? Yeah, you heard me right. Let's start with haircuts. Imagine the price of haircuts drops. Sweet, right? But hold on. When people spend less on haircuts, they've got more cash to spend on other things, like kitty supplies. More money in your pocket means higher demand for kitty stuff, which could actually drive prices down. Make sense so far? Cool. Next, if kitty supplies are cheaper, folks can save more money. What's another big expense? Rent. With less money spent on Fluffy's needs, landlords see that people have more disposable income and they adjust rent prices to stay competitive. Result, rent goes down. Now, cheaper rent means people don't need to spend as much on housing. Enter gasoline. With more money saved, people might drive more or opt for pricier gas stations, prompting gas companies to lower their prices to attract customers. Boom, gas prices drop. Finally, if gas prices are low, transportation costs fall. This affects everything, including how drugs are transported. Lower transport costs make drugs cheaper to move around, pushing drug prices down. And there you have it, folks. A wild domino effect starting with haircuts, rippling all the way to drug prices. So next time you get a trim, remember, it's not just about looking sharp. It's a whole economic adventure. Catch you in the next video.